Well, I got the slot car tabletop all stained and urethane. It's black. It'll be hopefully pretty nice when it's all dry. Poly's still wet, so it's quite shiny. Hopefully the streaks will go away. This was a really old piece of plywood that I used. Had to sand the crap out of it. But hopefully this all dries and she looks really good and I don't have to poly over it again. I might do a second coat, who knows. Really make it look nice. I didn't do anything with the base yet. Just wanted to get the top done. Like I said, I don't know what kind of layout I'm going to do on this thing. Maybe some crazy oval, like I said. There you go. She's pretty much done. Maybe put an infield on her. I don't know, we'll see. More to update on this later. It's just a quick update. Alright guys, if you like it, smash that like button, subscribe. Let me know. Thanks.